Good morning, Rudy Campos, Remax Gold Coast Realtors, 479-2992. I'm here with my assistant, Crystal de la Cruz.
Hi.
And Crystal just joined my team recently. She comes from a background, she's had experience in real estate, she had a license. She will be renewing her license, so that's another great thing about that. And the reason why I wanted to present you to Crystal is that she's an asset, and in addition to the team, that makes a difference when you hire me as your agent. So Crystal, what are some of the things that you are doing for me? What is it that you focus on a daily basis?
Well, my primary, job is to keep Rudy focused. He needs to focus on prospecting, on dealing with the buyers and sellers, and with any prospective buyers and sellers. And my main job is to kind of keep that workload off of him and lighten it on him. That way he can keep focused and concentrate on getting new deals in and getting money in. And so I do a lot of emails and calls and data entry, opening escrow, and dealing with all parties involved, and kind of anything that doesn't need Rudy there, I take care of.
Okay. And one of the other assets that Crystal brings to the table is that she's also bilingual. She speaks, reads, and writes Spanish. And as you know, a lot of the transactions that take place in this county, about 60%, are done by people who are not necessarily Spanish speakers, but Spanish surnames, and most of those people, many of those people do speak Spanish, and they prefer to deal in their language. So when you hire me, you're not just hiring myself, you hire a team of people such as Crystal, professional people that are in the business dedicated to provide excellent service. So if you are thinking about selling a home, buying a home, or anything that's related to real estate that you have a question about, call us. We would love to help you any way we can. If we don't know the answer to your question, we'd refer you to the people that do that. They can give you the answer that you're looking for. So thank you for watching. And again, the number is 479-2992, 479-2992. You can also text me at that number, or you can email us at rudy@rudycampos.com. Have a great day. Thank you.